for the coding and decoding is coding in fiction language. In this type of questions, fiction language is used to code some words. In such questions, the codes for a group of words is given, and by eliminating some common words, codes for each word can be identified. That means, in this type of question, that is coding in fiction language, some another type of language, some fiction language is used to code some words. How to solve these type of questions? So in such questions, the codes for a group of words, which is given, and you have to eliminate those common words. Those common words will be eliminated, and code for each word can be identified by this method. Let's solve one example based on this type to clarify the things. So the question is, over and above is coded as DAPATA. Old and beautiful is coded as SANAPA. And the question is, how is over written in that code language? So this is our question. The question says that over and above, the code for over and above is DAPATA, and the code for old and beautiful is SANAPA. We have to find the code for the word over. That means we have to find the code for the word over. To solve this question, step 1 is write the word over and above, put the arrow and write the code, that is DAPATA. This is the first step. Write the word, put the arrow and write the given code. Same thing we will do with this word, that is old and beautiful. Old and beautiful. Put the arrow and the code is SANAPA. SANAPA. Step 1 is clear. Step 2. Step 2 is identify the same words. This was the first sentence, this is the second sentence. Over and above. Here it is old and beautiful. Identify the matching word. Same word is and. In both sentences, the word and is common. Here over and above is equals to DAPATA. The code for over and above is DAPATA, and the code for old and beautiful is SANAPA. the same thing which we did with the same words, we have to apply the same thing with the codes as well. That means here the word PA and here the word PA both are same. Here the word AND is same and here the code PA is same. That means the code for AND is PA. And removing the question. Just remember this question. We have to find the code for over. Code for AND is PA. So code for AND is PA. Right. But we have to find the code for over. Is there any other word common? Just check this. Over, above, old, beautiful. So no common word is mentioned in both of the sentences. Just and the code for AND is PA. So the code for word over can be DA or TA. So the code for the word over can be either DA or TA. With this much information, we cannot identify the exact code of the word over. Because here old and beautiful can be either SA or NA. But we cannot find the exact code of the word over or above or beautiful or old. Over can be coded as DA or TA. But let's twist the question. Suppose in the given question there is the word is over and old, and here old and beautiful. The code for the over and old is NA So the updated question, I have just twisted this question like now the word is over and old and the code for the over and old is NAPATA. Next the word is old and beautiful. The code for the old and beautiful is SANAPA. We have already identified the matching word and the matching code PA. Now let's check if there is another matching word from these two sentences. Yes, there is. The word old. Here it is also old. Here it is also old. Let's check if there is same code available. Yes. Here it is NA and here it is NA. That means the code for the word old, code for the word old is NA. Code for the word old is NA. So if I check the above question, that is over and old, the code was NA, PA and TA. But the code for the word and is PA and the word old is NA. There is only one code remaining. There is only one word remaining. That is over and PA, which shows that the code for the word over is PA. We have identified the code for the word over if there are more than one same word in the two sentences. This also shows that the code for the word beautiful is SA. The code for the word beautiful is SA. So, beautiful SA. Right. So, if in the question there are more than two same words and more than two same codes, then we can identify the code for the third word. Let's check another example. Suppose the word is how are you, and the code for this word how are you is DAP, SAP and GAP. Right? This is the code for how are you. Another word is you, me and. Another word is you, me and the code for this is GAP, ZAP, MAP. Another word given is, this was first, second and third. Another word is how you doing. This is the word how you doing, and the code for this is DAP, GAP, WAP. This is the given question. We have to identify the code for the word doing. We have to identify the code for the word doing. This is the question. Identify the code for the word doing. So let's start solving this question. How are you? Question is you, me and. How you doing? Let's identify the common words. From the first sentence you and the second you. So I am putting a square you. Here it is also you. So you is common in all of the three sentences. Third, let's check another. So how are, me and, how doing. Yes. So another matching is I am putting a circle how. Right. So we have identified two matching words, how and you. Let's find the code. Let's check with the code. So DAP, SAP, GAP. Here GAP, ZAP, MAP. That means the matching is GAP. Here also GAP. That means you was common in all of the three sentences. Same way GAP is also common in all of the three codes. So here for the U I have put square. So for GAP also you will put square. Second common was how. How in the first and third sentence. Let's check whether there is common code in the first and third sentence. So DAP, DAP. Yes, there is one common. For how I have put circle. So for DAP also you will put circle. This shows that the code for how is DAP. The code for you is GAP. What was the question? The question was to find the code for the word doing. We have to find the code for the word doing. Doing is mentioned in the third sentence, that is how you doing. We already know the code for how and you. How is DAP, U is GAP. That means DAP and GAP are gone. Only left word is doing and the only left code is WAP. That means the code for doing is WAP. So this is our answer. The code for doing is WAP. Let's check if you can find another code for another word. So yes, the code for R. We can find the code for R. Why? Because how and you is for DAP and GAP respectively. So the only word in the first sentence is D is R and the only code in the first sentence is SAP, which shows that the code for the R is SAP. The code for the R is SAP. In the second sentence, there are two words, me and the codes are also two, ZAP and MAP. So that means the code for the me can be either ZAP or either MAP. Same way, the code for the and can be either ZAP or MAP. While solving the question based on type 4, few steps which we did was, step 1, write the sentence and put the arrow and then write the code for the given sentence. Same thing will be applied with the other given sentences and the code. Afterwards, identify the matching word. That is, here we identified you and R. Here we identified you and how. So second step is identify the matching word and then identify their matching codes. Third step was to write down the word and the code. Fourth step was find the code for the given question, just the way we did for this question. So I hope this concept of coding in fiction language is clear. Thank you.